What's happening, Manarewa High School? This is Mr. Casey. I'm going to show you how to make a portfolio in Schoology. But before we go into that, first question, what's a portfolio? Well, a portfolio is just a collection of your best work. It's going to be ready to show other people. Right, so let's go to Schoology. Right, we're in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my name up in the top right corner and click Your Profile. Then scoot on over to the left-hand side and you'll see where it says Portfolios. Click that and then click New Portfolio. Now, you might have portfolios for a whole lot of different subjects, so since this portfolio is going to be for science, I'm going to start the title with science and then say what the portfolio is. So this topic is pollution, so I'm going to make this a pollution portfolio. And it's done. Now, when we want to put something into the portfolio, we can go to the portfolio, click on it, and we can put our work in. So first thing I want to do, first piece of work I want to add in is the Learning Objective 1 task. So it's in this plastic pollution folder. Learning Objective 1, define pollution. LO1 task sheet, and this is going to tell us everything we need to do. Now, I can answer these questions in a Word document, in a video, in a PowerPoint, or if we just want to keep it simple, we could just download this document and we could edit the document. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to click this download button and I'm going to save it somewhere. I'm going to save it on my onto my desktop, or I could make a science folder if I wanted to. And see, there it is. I'm going to open that up. Now I can type my answers straight into here, like that. When I'm done, I'm going to save. And if that piece of work is done and finished and ready to put in my portfolio, then I'm going to go back to where my portfolio is, and I'm just going to drop it in. I can drag and drop to put it in. And I can just, that piece of work, I can just copy it straight in there like that. And it's done. And as soon as it's uploaded to that, your teacher can see that. So that should be a piece of work that's finished and ready to go, ready to be marked.